So do you want to keep your job safe from MSPs like us? Focus on what you can do that an MSP can't. Today, performance monitoring. IT support people, we love the call. My computer, web page, internet, printer, hamster, Zoom meeting is slow. Because we have to deal with the one thing that we have absolutely no control over. People. Oh, and their immediate point of view. What exactly is slow? And what's the context? Are we talking about something that's always slow or just slow situationally? It's anecdotal. And anecdotal evidence is the hardest kind to actually prove one way or the other. But it's the only kind of evidence that the end user has when they're talking to us. We have to take it very seriously, but we also have to not trust it. That's where performance monitoring comes into play. The ability to dig not into just a device, but the network and the components of those particular devices. Is the CPU working too hard? Is there enough memory? Is the hard drive thrashing? Is the network overloaded? You could have a device that's got all of the right resources 90% of the time, but at those 10% moments, one particular aspect, one particular component gets overloaded, but you can't tell which without being able to dig into the performance metrics. And if that 10% is critical time in terms of business needs, performance tanks, unhappy users, but with performance monitoring, you can actually take a look and dig down into the metrics, even days after it happened. Actually see that the laptop just needs more memory. No guessing. But you need to implement, configure, manage, learn how these tools work. Or maybe if you just know somebody who's willing to share. Not all MSPs want your job. Simplex IT has co-mits or co-managed IT services where we form a partnership between you and us to provide great IT for your organization. You want to know more? DM me here or email me at bob@simplex-it.com and I'll send you a copy of my book, I Don't Want Your Job, Is Co-Managed IT Services the Right Fit for You? And I'll even monitor your performance while you do that. Sounds creepy, doesn't it?